Hey guys, we're going to be making bara tang today. I'm going to be cutting about 1 cup of the leek, and then I'm going to be roughly slicing about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to be cutting about 4 king oyster mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. All the ingredients I used are totally optional because you can basically put whatever you want and eat it just like hot pot. I put in about 3 chilies, but you guys can put as much or as little as you want based on your spice preference. I also cut up some dried bean curd that I soaked in warm water for about 1 hour. And I also put some Napa cabbage. Next, to make the sauce, I stir-fried the garlic, leek, and chili peppers we cut earlier. Make sure to leave out some of them for garnish later. I put in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the sauce packet and stir-fried for about 1 minute. I put the whole package of the instant Korean bone broth and 1 cup of water in. After the soup has come to a boil, you want to put 1 to 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now I'm putting in pre-soaked glass noodle that I soaked in warm water for about 1 hour. I also put fish ball with roe inside. I also ladled out some excess oil, but this step is totally optional. Now I'm putting in the soybean sprouts and the bean curd. Next, I'm putting in thinly sliced pork. Also some shrimp, the king oyster mushrooms, the Napa cabbage, and my favorite, bok choy. Don't forget to put in the remaining leek and chili for the garnish. Boil it for about 5 minutes and it's ready to eat. This meal was super delicious and I really hope you guys try out this recipe. It's a total comfort food if you like hot and spicy, and it's a great way to get your protein and your veggies in. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, turn on your notification bell, and leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching.